was just calling because I wanted to know if you guys wanted to donate to the LGBTQ community.
Donate to who?
The LGBTQ community.
Oh. What the bomber class is that?
Oh.
Listen, what you talking about? Donate to who? Donate to what?
The LGBTQ community. It's lesbian,
I don't know
gay.
about no LGBTQ. I don't know nothing about that. Who the fuck is that? What is that?
It's lesbians, gay, bisexual, transsexual, queer, 2+ spirit.
Why in the bomber class would you do that? You want me to donate to a taxi to take you to church?
Sir, that's like really homophobic.
Listen, homophobic are no fucking it. Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. We don't fuck around Batman business.